Two giants in crypto trading, Coinbase and Gemini. Which one really delivers? On one side, Coinbase, popular, user-friendly, and a staple for millions. On the other, Gemini, sleek, secure, and built for serious investors. We're putting both platforms to the test in categories that actually matter. Security, fees, user experience, supported coins, customer support, and more. Let's skip the marketing hype and get to the real story. Every category gets points, and by the end, you'll know exactly which platform stands out. And trust me, the winner might surprise you. Let's get into it. Here's a quick overview of all the categories we'll be comparing. Fees, security, supported assets, user experience, regulation and trust, and of course, earn and staking option. That's basically the crypto exchange battle playbook, right? Okay, first up, fees. Now, nobody likes paying extra, especially not with your hard-earned crypto gains. So Coinbase. Yeah, they make it super easy to see what you'll pay thanks to their friendly fee calculator, but honestly, those trading fees? Pretty steep, especially for active traders. And that tiered system? Super confusing for beginners. On the flip side, Gemini keeps it simple and transparent, especially with their spot and active trader fees. I mean, yeah, withdrawal fees can sting, but overall, Gemini usually saves you a few bucks. So for fees, gotta give it to Gemini. Let's talk security. Honestly, both of these exchanges are just solid here. They've got robust security practices, insurance on your USD deposits, and even things like bug bounty programs. Coinbase has had some phishing stuff in the past, but that was more on the user side, if we're being fair. Meanwhile, Gemini's got that big ol' NYDFS trust license, is SOC2 compliant, the works. Neither covers every asset for insurance though. So, when it comes to security, it's actually a tie. Next up, supported assets. And here's where things start to split. Coinbase absolutely crushes it. Over 200 cryptocurrencies, always hopping onto new coins early, like if you're into altcoins or want to ride the next meme wave, Coinbase is your best friend. Gemini, more focused on big names and regulatory clarity. They've got about 100 tokens and not as many obscure projects. That's a safer approach, sure, but you can't help but want a little more variety, right? So yeah, Coinbase wins here. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Gemini was actually founded by the Winklevoss twins? Yeah, the same guys from the Facebook story. So even if you lose your crypto, at least you've got an entertaining backstory, right? User experience. How do these actually feel to use? Honestly, if you're brand new to crypto, Coinbase is the easy winner. The app is super simple, onboarding is painless, and their educational resources are actually helpful. The only thing is, sometimes the site slows down when crypto gets super hot. Gemini swings the other way. Their active trader platform is pro level, but if you're a total beginner, it can feel a little intimidating. It's a great app, just more for the seasoned crowd. User experience goes to Coinbase. Alright, let's get into the nitty-gritty regulation and trust. This is important if you actually want to sleep at night with your crypto on an exchange. Coinbase is publicly traded, which is huge for transparency and registered with FinCEN. But lately, they've had a rocky relationship with the SEC. Gemini, on the other hand, is fully licensed by the NYDFS, has a strong presence in the UK and Gulf countries, and fun fact, they've never been hacked. Sure, maybe not as big a name globally as Coinbase, but when it comes to sheer regulation creds, this round goes to Gemini. Finally, let's talk earn and staking. Both let you earn some sweet passive income, but here's the catch. Coinbase offers a bunch of staking options. eTeach, ADA, the works, and their learn to earn incentives are actually legit for beginners trying to rack up a few extra bucks. In the US, staking can be limited by state, which is a bit of a drag. Gemini also lets you earn, and their credit card rewards are neat, but staking has taken a major hit lately due to regulation. So, if you want the best shot at earning, Coinbase takes the win. Let's pull up a quick radar chart to visualize how these two stack up across each category. As you can see, Gemini really shines on fees and regulation, but Coinbase stretches further on assets, user experience, and earning potential. So, you might be wondering, who's the top pick? Well, here's my take. If you're brand new to crypto, you want a huge selection of coins, or you just like things to be simple, easy, and friendly, Coinbase is the one to go for. But if you're a serious trader, big on regulations, or just want to keep those fees down, Gemini's likely the better fit. For most people, Coinbase edges out the win this time. Did you enjoy this breakdown? Follow for more trusted crypto guides, and hey, let me know if there's another crypto showdown you want to see next time.